So let's see what we're making today. Huh? An egg? No, that can't be. It must be inside. Look, it's a phone. With a really cute case. Anyway, let's get started on making it. Finally here at the shop. I can't wait to see the new phone. But before I pick up the phone, I need to get a few things. Hello, Rainbow Dash. Do you have my new phone ready? I need to pick it up right now. Actually, our phones have been out for a few days now. Are you sure you placed an order? What? I'm sure I ordered a phone yesterday. I wonder what to buy my cousin. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket ship on Saturday. But I still have nothing to buy, and I only have 2 more days left. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, first I need to get my phone. Hello? Is this the phone service? Yes. Okay, I was just wondering if I could pick up a new phone tomorrow for my cousin. Of course. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Me. Oh, now that I think of it, I might have called the wrong shop. Can you give me your phone number? Okay, here's the phone number. Oh, rats. I must have called the wrong number. But I still demand that phone by tomorrow, or I'll sue you for slow service. I'm so out of here. Twilight out. Oh no, what am I gonna do now? Hi guys. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a super easy, cute DIY phone. Miniature! All you need for this project is gel pens or a Sharpie, ruler, a glue stick, paints of assorted colors, a scissor, 2 pencils, paper, and thin cardboard. The optional items is a keychain, or a few, a glue gun, and beads. So let's get started. So first you want to figure out how long you want your phone to be. We're doing 1 inch by a 1/2 inch. Then you measure out how long you want it to be on a piece of paper that is very light. Once you finish connecting the dot, you curve the edges. Now it's the hardest part. We have to mark the center. Once you finish drawing the dots, connect them. After that, color the middle part with a black gel pen or Sharpie. When fully colored, draw a light circle on the bottom. Lastly, draw a line and 2 dots on the top, just like that. Now, cut it out. Now trace the phone on thin cardboard paper. Cut it out. Glue the phone and cardboard cutout together. Paint the back. I'm painting them in rainbow order, but you could paint them any way you like. But what I'm doing, since I don't have a toothpick, I'm dipping a pencil in the paint and then just, coloring it. Once finished, let it dry. Now, since ours is dry, we're gonna start decorating. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put googly eyes on it so it'll look cute, and maybe a nose with beads. So these are my decoration items, and I'm using normal glue stick to glue them. But it would definitely be better to use a glue gun, but I'm only using a glue stick because I'm running out of glue gun sticks. So this is my finished product. And if you want, you could put the keychain on by hot gluing this area and just sticking it on like this. So yeah. Thanks for watching. This Ford store got my phone ready. I need it by today. Hey you! Did you get my phone ready yet? Yeah, it's right here. Well, it's amazing how fast you did it. Thanks. Bye. Phew! Now we got the phone ready just in time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Bye!